Namaste, Nepali friends. Ajako video mahami kura garna. Jayudecho Nepal ma passport kasari banon. Rasuru dekai passport hot ma pon sama co-complete process. Aba e-passport system, la process easy banediko cha. Tara dere, jana lai thaha hudena. Ani tayahi, Karen la yo video ma. Sabai cura, simple step, by step budget h how. Sabai banda, pahilo cura. Aba e-passport cha. Purano manual system banda. Aba digital system, ma passport bancha. Jassel, Karyalia, ma lagni samya. Line ko tension. Ra paperwork ko janjhat dere kem gerko cha. Aba hadril gar bate online. Form barna saknuhancha. Appointment fix garna saknuhancha. Ani payment pani. Online garna sakincha. Step 1. Online application. Department of Passport. Co-official website Majanu Parcha. Taya Geira. Hadril e-passport application. Form barna parcha. Sabai details. Sahai tarikale barna bahat important cha. Nam bua ko nam. Silo bua ko nam. Janma thou ko address. Ra anya sabai details ramrari verify garnu. Form barisake patcha. Submit garnu ra form co-confirmation. Slip download garnu. Step 2. Appointment booking. Form submit ger patcha. Hadril appointment date choose garnu parcha. Aba appointment co-logi different options cha. Hadril normal service, your express service choose garna sakincha. Normal ma passport, 7 dekai 10 din ma bancha. Tara express service ma arco dinya 2, din bitra nai passport pona sakincha. Tara thap, charge lagsha. Appointment select ger patch. Hadril receive garnu honey slip, print garnu ani passport office ma lagna parcha. Step 3. Payment process. Nepali Nagaric passport, co-charge, 34 pages co-logi NPR 5,000 cha, 66 pages co-logi NPR 10,000 cha, raw express service, cha surcharge lagcha, payment online garna saknuhancha eswa, kalti ya connect IPS bata, baki hadril bank counter, magari voucher linu pani sakincha, payment proof safe rakinis. Kinabhain Department ma verify garna parcha. Step 4. Document verification and biometrics. Appointment co-din Department of Passport ma gaira hadril citizenship. Co-original raw photocopy. Payment voucher. Application. Confirmation slip. Raw old passport if any lagna parcha. Taya pehel documents. Verify honey cha. Ani biometric process. Suru honey cha. Biometric ma hajurko. Photo kitcha. Digital signature, collect honey cha, raw fingerprint pani liancha, sabai process, pache hajurko details, final review garancha, ani hadril confirmation, slip pony honey cha. Step 5, passport collection, sabai process, complete bay apache, passport tayar honey samya, hajurko service type, madapen garcha, normal service, ma 7 dekai 10 working days lagcha. Express service machai arco, din nai passport, pona sakincha, passport ready bay apache, SMS notification archa, ani passport office ma gaira hadril passport, collect garnu parcha, collect garda hajurko, original citizenship, ani appointment slip carry garnu nabarsano. Important tips for everyone. Yuta cura yad garnu, form barnabella, spelling mistake nagarnu, documents thick, Chalkai, Chaina check garnu, ani foda, specifications follow garnu, yuda sano, mistake la process delay huncha, ani hadril ferry office, janu parcha, aba digital system cha, jassel karyalia ko rush dere kem garia cha, tara details, thick raknai parcha, closing and call to action, yo theo Nepal ma e-passport banon complete, step-by-step process. Aba hadril gar bata online form barna saknuhancha. Appointment book garna. Saknuhancha. Payment garna saknuhancha. Ani passport sajalai pona saknuhancha. Aba hadril yatra garna passport. Chedena banner attention lina pardena. Sabai process bujura hajurko passport. Sajalai hot ma ponuhancha. Yo video la hajurko kam sajilo banyo bain. Ectum simple cura garno. Video like garnu, share garnu, Ani channel, subscribe Garnu Nabarsano. Tapenko, support Hami Jasto, creator Lai Arco Ramelo content, Banona inspiration Dincha.